Okay, so trigonometry, we're going over, we're finishing up the half angle identities. Now, for this case right here, for this first one right here, my half angle, I go and find the one that looks like this, 1 plus cosine over 2. There it is. 1 plus cosine all over 2, right? What's the only one that could be? Cosine A over 2, right? Cosine A over 2. So my A value is whatever is over here with this cosine, right?
12.
And in this case, it's 12x, isn't it?
Yeah.
In that case, it's 12x. So where does that 12x need to go? It's going to be over here, right? Right there. So for this one, we said that this for the cosine, and so the 12x goes back in for the A. So it's going to be 12x over 2. So this whole identity goes along with just cosine 6x. The whole thing goes for cosine 6x. Okay, so this other one over here is tangent. So my A values are what? 5 alpha, right? The A values are 5 alpha. Let's go back and find it. 1 minus cosine over sine, right? 1 minus cosine over sine. That's this one right here now. So we just need to pick out the A value. The A value in this case was what? 5 alpha. 5 alpha. So that's where I just take it from here and put it here. So it's 5 alpha over 2. I'm just replacing things. That's all I'm doing. I just need to look to see which formula is being used.
You leave D like just 5A over 2?
Yeah, right here.
Okay.
I'm just picking stuff out. All right, verify that this is 1 plus sine x is an identity. I got a whole bunch of half angles here, right?
Yeah.
All right. I could start by expanding this. I could FOIL this, can I? Yes, right? So let's go through and let's expand this. So I have all half angles here, but I have a, what is this right here? Is that a half angle?
No.
No, that is a whole angle. That's one angle, a single angle. Yes? Okay, so it's going to be, I'm going to distribute what I have here. So it's going to be sine squared x over 2 plus sine 2 sine x over 2 cosine of x over 2 plus cosine squared of x over 2. All right, I have a giant bubblegum blow pop for the person that could tell me the identity that is on the screen. It's not in this unit. That's why you guys get like a giant candy for this one. It's not in this unit. It was in a previous unit.
It was 5.4.
Huh?
5.4.
Is it 5.4? What is it then?
Yeah.
What was that identity?
No, it's sine 2A.
Huh?
Cosine squared 2A.
Since like A plus B.
Cosine 2A.
You said what?
Cosine 2A.
Cosine 2a?
That's it.
Do we have cosine 2a there?
Drop out.
Wait, you were wrong.
All right, last chance.
Sine 8, no. Sine 8 plus
Mister, she was wrong. She said sine 8 plus
Oh,
B.
cosine
How about this?
Sine
That would be sine 2a, isn't it?
I said that. Yeah,
Did he say that?
I did.
He said sine 2a.
Yeah, I said it. That's the first one I said.
You said sine 2a? I thought you said cosine.
Yeah, right here. I said 5.5.
Yeah, he said it a long time ago.
Okay. All right, so now, if this is going to be sine of 2a, what is my a value here? X over 2, right? So this right here is going to be sine of 2 times my a, but in this case, this is my a, isn't it? Right? So that's just going to be sine x, isn't it? Okay, sine x. So those cancel, that just gives me sine x. Now, what is the one thing I still am missing? What? What is the one thing I'm still missing? What is sine squared plus cosine squared? It's 1, isn't it? Does it matter what the angle is? No, it's the identity. So whichever I have, no matter what I have, if it's x over 2, if it's 2x, if it's 5x, if it's sine squared plus cosine squared, that gives me 1. Every time that's going to be 1. So this is going to be plus. All this together just gives me 1.
Which makes it an identity. Why you gotta do that?
So it's a lot of what we've already done. Yes. Yeah. It's a lot of what we've already done, but it's just multiple things together.
That's all.
That's it. Questions over what we did? That means it's time to actually do some work.